Dear student, in the first lecture we have seen the different shortcuts. Now today we will try to solve the problems based on area. Problems based on area. So area bounded by y is equal to 4x minus x square. Area bounded by 4x minus x square and the x-axis So this parabola is something like this. So this is the area we have to find out. This is 0. This is 4, 0. So required area is equal to 0 to 4, 4x minus x square dx. So this is equal to 2x square minus x raised to 3 upon 3, 0 to 4. So this is equal to 4 square is 16 minus 2, 16 into 2, 32 minus 64 by 3. So this is 96 minus 64 by 3. So the area is 32 by 3 square units. The area is 32 by 3 square units. By parabola, y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y. So look here, the required area is y square is equal to x, x square is equal to y. This is the area which we required. I have given the shortcut for this. A is equal to 1 by 4, B is equal to 1 by 4, and the shortcut given is 16AB upon 3. So this is equal to 16, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 upon 3. So it is 1 by 3 square units. So it is 1 by 3 square units. The area bounded by the curve, bounded by the curve bounded by the loop of the curve, y square is equal to x square into 1 minus x. Now look here, this is the loop of the curve. So if we double this, so y is equal to x under root 1 minus x. So required area is equal to 2 into 0 to 1 x under root 1 minus x dx. Use the property. So this is equal to 2, 0 to 1, 1 minus x into root x dx. So this is equal to 2 into 0 to 1 root x minus x raised to 3 by 2 dx. So this is 2 into 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 x raised to 5 by 2 0 to 1. So this is 2 into 2 by 3 minus 2 by 5. This is 8 by 15 square units. 8 by 15 square units. The area of the region, the area of the region, the area of the region enclosed by the circle, enclosed by the circle, enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 36, and the line x plus y is equal to 6. So I have given you a shortcut for this also. This is the required area. So area bounded by circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, and line x plus y is equal to a is equal to a square pi minus 2 upon 4 square units. So this is equal to 36 pi minus 2 upon 4 square units. So this is equal to 9 into pi minus 2 square units. Area bounded by circle x square plus y square is equal to 8, and parabola y square is equal to 2x in the first quadrant. So see here, this is the circle and this is the parabola. So that means this much area we require. This is the required area. So area OAB will be given by the parabola, and area ABC will be given by the circle. So this is equal to root 8, 0. We have to get the coordinate. So x square plus y square is equal to 8, and y square is equal to 2x. So x square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So x plus 4, x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 4. This is not possible. X is equal to 2. So required area will be 0 to 2 parabola, that is root 2 root x dx plus 2 to root 8 under root 8 minus x square dx, under root 8 minus x square dx. The solution I am writing over here. So see here, it will be, this is equal to root 2 into 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2, x raised to 3 by 2, 0 to 2, plus x by 2 under root 8 minus x square plus a square by 2, so plus 4 into sine inverse of x by a, say x upon root 8, this is 2 to root 8. So this is 2 root 2 upon 3. 2 raised to 3 by 2 is 2 root 2. Plus, when you take root 8, this will become 0. And sine inverse of root 8 upon root 8 is 1. So 4 sine inverse of 1 minus, when you write 2, so 2 square is 4, 8 minus 4 is 4, so root is, so it is 2, plus 4 sine inverse of 2 upon 2 root 2. So this is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 upon 3 plus 4 into pi by 2 minus 2 minus 4 into sine inverse of 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. So this cancel. So 8 by 3 minus 2 is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 pi minus pi is equal to pi square units. Square units.